Okay, so I don't know if you know the content I used to post. It's obviously not this. So we're doing trading content. Cause I love posting content and I love trading. So we got the both of both worlds in terms of my life here. But I'm gonna give you a little rundown of what I'm expecting. For one, today I kind of want to see shorts. Why? Because in the 1 hour we have this big displacement. This is a dealing range from this low to this high, and we are very high in the premium, and we're also damn near at all-time highs. But what I think is what's gonna happen is that we're gonna engineer buy side liquidity, which is these two highs, enter a discount, maybe this new weak opening gap or some inefficiency down here. It doesn't even have to be like down here entirely. Like sometimes it won't even get like past like the red line. But yeah, I want to see us for the morning session at least to just dip down. It also is the day before CPI, so you can expect some complications within that. But yeah, for the morning session, I want to see lower prices. This is also paper trading. It's not real money. I need a paper trade before I actually buy more funded accounts. I do trade live money on Forex. It's a lot easier for me. Plus, I don't have like 10K to throw into a live account on NQ. So we are currently focusing on NQ. Yeah, I'm pre-firing the sell shorts SMT at this high, and then now we have displacement and then inefficiency, and then I want to see price just bounce off these PD rates to go lower. It is market open in like 6 minutes. But yeah, this is kind of what I want to see for the morning session. Let's see if it plays out. 'Cause I really don't know. I could be wrong for all I fucking know. So SMT, which is also a nice confirmation. Yeah, and hopefully it hits. If it doesn't, it's okay, bro. Just let go and whatever, just fucking be. I wouldn't really trade or like look at the 30 minute if I were on a live account, but just for I guess sake of clarity, this price action looks a lot cleaner on the higher time frames. I feel like that just goes generally speaking. Like price on the lower time frame always just has like a bunch of noise in my opinion. But even so, like even like on here, this price action still looks ugly. But the higher time frame gives you like a more clear, a lot clearer structure. We'll open in a minute. Get a few highs you might want to take here. Or best case scenario, we just run at the market open for lower prices. Yeah, these markets are like moving. It's either that this is SMT or we are just moving in opposite directions. I also do want to see. I don't want to see this candle like go stagnant around this low. I want to see us break down lower. But for all I know is that we could also want to reach back into this inefficiency before looking for lower prices. That's also another possibility. But if we are in a hurry, we're more likely to just run down for quite some time. Again, confirmation is S&T market structure shift from this low inversion. This is like a very clean reversal setup. This is like the what's that dude's name? PB Patty, PB Blake, like those guys. I'm sure you know who they are. But yeah, this is like very good setup in my opinion. I usually would not also take this trade before 9:30, but sometimes the runs happen or the setups happen, but like at before market open, and then when price opens, like at 9:30 New York time, it just like runs towards it. It guns towards the target. That's sometimes. But if I were right it just kept running and market opened and just started expanding lower, I would look for a continuation, which is just like, think of this goes down and then we reach into an inefficiency. See, like there's like a what is it called? A fair value gap going lower, and then you would want to see, so hard say that there's a higher time frame, fair value over here, and then you would look for a inversion somewhere into here to tap back into. Actually, you don't even like have to let it tap back in. You would just let it close, and if it closes below that inversion, then you can already sell, which is like what I did kind of here. I already sold once we closed below the inversion, and then just let it gun towards your, I guess, target. Actually, you know, even this wouldn't be a bad target. I kind of want to do this. Oh, we already took it. This is a great target. Equal lows. You know, low hanging fruit sometimes is ideal, especially when you have one contract and you're just starting again. See, like once we took that low, it's already bouncing back up. But this either could mean we're actually going to all-time highs now, or we are rebalancing this 15-minute. But just the way off of this rejection does not look ideal. Like you don't want to just see it wicket. Price just took these stops, and is now, it might, which it kind of looks like it is, but it might just start gunning it higher. See how price reacts above this high. If you see a market structure shift, then I think it's clearly that we're going to gun it towards all-time highs. In my opinion. Again, if you don't know like what kind of style of trading this is, I guess style. There's no right way of trading, but I've studied ICT for like 2+ years. Stopped trading. This is my first day back trading again. Just like recording myself, etc. But yeah. Before this, I was just laying in my bed. Well, actually, I woke up, took a shower, laid in my bed, watching an episode of Jujutsu Kaisen. So good. And yeah, I like. So when season 3 dropped, I didn't know what the fuck was going on. I was kind of confused. But I also love JJK. Also just like love reading manga. Like my favorite one is Blame, or it's like pronounced Blam, but it's like as text as Americans it's pronounced Blame. Dude, it's so fucking good. If you never read it before, highly recommended. That's actually where I get my name from, Killy. It's because that was my favorite anime, and then I love the name Killy, so I just took it. It's mine now. I want to see, if you're bullish, I want to see kind of closer up of this. It's called a SIBI, like a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. I want to see an inversion of this, and I also want to see a strong breaker structure of this swing high. Yeah, we also have SMT at this low now. Since Nasdaq was lower, it reached that target faster. So SMT, maybe in an inversion. I'm gonna stay in a higher time frame because lower time frame is just a pain in the ass. Kind of iffy, very iffy. There's a 15-minute fair value gap in here. I'm gonna go for it. Twin. No, I'm gonna keep it. But yeah, there's a 15-minute inefficiency right here. So this can go the wrong way very fast. But I do like the way that we immediately bumped this and then immediately saw rejection. So this 50-minute can just be an inversion. Like if I got in down here, so like over here, and then it hit this, I would go break even immediately, because that's just like, it's already like a risky play as it is. But the fact that we immediately bumped up after taking that sell side gives me hope in a sense. But I'm gonna let this run. If it works, it works. It doesn't, it doesn't.
Yeah, bitch, I can't bust. I could put you on. I could put you on. Feels like you don't got no heart. Still awaiting your response. If it's gotta cost, yeah, I can't even start. Tell me why you got a friend, yeah. You swear that you're up, yeah. You're not counting none. Tell me what you done, yeah. Now you do me wrong. I cannot confront, yeah. Running out of luck. Yeah, no, it don't make sense. These problems that I'm facing, yeah. Got another blunt, bitch, I'm gon' face it, yeah. Baby, tell me, is this worth saving, yeah. I can't even lie, I think I hate it. You still stop my page, but you gon' say shit, yeah. You thought I was useless and you made us, yeah. I crash it, bet your bro, that shit's outrageous.
All my jeans is me. I swear y'all don't hear me. Baby, do you feel me? Never real me. So stuck in my feelings. Got my bands up to the ceiling. Baby, tell me, do you feel me? Tell me, can you feel me? That bitch said she love me. She don't even love me. Build up in my tummy. I'm trying to count my money. Bitch, I came from nothing. Never take it from me. Let's see when I'm bumming. In my best up, bitch, I'm thumbing, yeah.
Put you on, I could put you on. Feels like you don't got no heart. Still awaiting your response. If it's gotta cost, yeah, I can't even start. Tell me why you got a friend, yeah. You swear that you're up, yeah. You're not counting none. Tell me what you done, yeah. Now you do me wrong. I cannot confront, yeah. Running out of luck.
Trading your soul for?
Bam, we took an L. You know, looks like my original bias was correct, but you know, sometimes we take L's. It's completely fine, bro. Nothing we can do about that. Yeah, I do want to see this setup though. But yeah, you know, sometimes you take L's, and that's completely okay. Just gotta let it be. And you live and you learn. It's kind of just how this game works. This was a decent move. Looking. But yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we were gonna head towards my original target. Of 1 hour. This dealing range. I want to see us long term. I guess for the rest of the day, I won't be in the markets. But yeah, for the rest of the day, I want to see us kind of just return to a kind of discount, maybe this low. It doesn't even gotta be this low. It could be this inefficiency. I miss well, I guess yeah, it's an inefficiency in a sense, but yeah, this new week opening gap. I don't really trade these, but that's just something that the market could end up going towards. But yeah, if it does, it does. It doesn't, it doesn't. But I'm gonna hop off here, go to the gym, and then Yeah. Hope y'all have a blessed day. You know, follow your rules, do what you gotta do, and make shit happen. Just be consistent, bro. You know, if you take it out one day, it's not the end of the world. It is what it is, and just keep moving. Yeah. I'll see ya, boys. It was cool recording this video. I enjoyed it, and I'll probably most definitely be recording more because I like making content. I don't know. I just like talking. Feels like I'm talking to somebody, but at the same time talking to myself. Yada yada yada. But yeah, I'll be back on soon. I don't know. Tomorrow I'm not trading. I'll be back on Thursday. But yeah, I'll see y'all.